Hello friends, welcome back to this channel, and today in this video I am gonna give you the solution of Telegram that a lot of people are facing issues and they are unable to create the Telegram account because of OTP issues. So this is one of my phone on which I am gonna do the process. So without wasting any time, let me start the video, and in this video you are gonna learn how you can create Telegram account in 2025. You can check the date and let me start. On the right side I am gonna do the process on the phone, which is in the left side, in which I will receive my OTP and I will just put it on the right side phone. Okay, here you can see I have an account. Let me show you the problem that people are facing. Let me put any random number here, like I am putting this. So I will click on yes and let's see whether I am getting the issue or not. So let's hold on. As you can see guys, I am also getting the same issue that you are getting. So let me tell you the solution, as the solution is not available on the internet. So go to the settings of the account that you have already and you will get this pop-up, keep this phone number or not. So you will click on no, this is not my phone number. Okay, if you will click on no, then you will get this change number option. Click on change and put the number that you are going to create account on, your new number. Okay, so just put the number that you are desired to create an account. So I will click on yes option and let's see. As you can see, our problem is solved and it has sent the OTP to my phone number. So I will just put the OTP here and I will just create a new account. Just follow the steps. Okay, you can see my OTP is correct and my account is successfully created. Like this you can create the Telegram account. Now I will show you how you can transfer this account to your new phone on which you are gonna create an account or log in your account. Okay, so like this you can just follow the trick and you can create an account. So let me open my new phone and let me transfer this account to that phone, and after it we can just restore the account of my friend which was already available on this device. Okay, so you can just check the time. So let's remove one device and let me open my new device. Here is my own personal iPhone, so in which I am gonna create that account or transfer that account in it. So let's add an account. I will click on add another account so that I can show you how you can just transfer the account you have made on this device. Here I will just put the same number. Let me put the same number and let me create an account on it, and we will get the OTP on the other device because we have created that account there. So you can just check the number, it is the same number, and let's wait for the OTP. I have got my OTP on the second device. Now I will put the OTP here so that we can transfer that account here. Now all what we have to do, we have to go back to the first device. We can just re-log in my old account on which I have transferred my new number. So that was the trick.